Hi, and welcome to Google Cloud Spanner Essentials. I'm Asma Aziz, the author for this course. I'm an IT professional with 4 plus years of experience in cloud computing and databases. I've been involved with the large-scale migration projects in telecom industry, from native core systems to highly available private cloud-based network functions. Lately, I've been working on business analysis with a focus on technical solution provisioning to commercial requirements, consumer behavioral modeling, analytics, and visualizations. I like learning and implementing new and interesting things, and recently I've been delving into analytics solutions. This course will cover the fundamentals of Cloud Spanner and setting it up step by step for operational database workloads by efficiently loading and querying relational data. It also covers modeling tables, indexes, and tools with security permissions for best performance in Cloud Spanner. By the end of this course, users will have a hands-on exposure to use Spanner to set up and use their operational DBs to utilize the efficiency of cloud. In section 1, we will discuss Spanner as an offering from Google Cloud, its significance and features, and how drastically it changes the DB landscape. We'll also discuss the use cases associated with it. Section 2 of Spanner Fundamentals will cover creating instance and databases in Spanner, and we'll also be discussing the pricing aspect and IAM permissions. Section 3 will cover the database concepts and schema design in Spanner, along with applying its key concepts. Section 4 discusses data uploading and updating in Spanner using DML and other methods. Section 5 will finally cover the queries in Spanner and Stackdriver monitoring. The prerequisites for this course include basic RDBMS knowledge so that you can easily understand the concepts being presented.